Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete multiple email at once in your Gmail, right? So Gmail means Google Mail and I'm here, and as you can see here, for example, I will go to the my social section here, and as you can see there's a lot of comments which I don't like and I just want to delete, right? So these are basically mails. To delete each and every mail at once, it's really easy. Here you can see square box, so click on it and make sure I am into my social section. So if I just click on this box, it will not select the primary section or promotion section. It will only select the social sections of email. Right now here I am. By the way, if you have more emails, then you will get a notification that you can add more, right? So here if you want to delete, this is a delete option, right? So you can just go and click on delete and all your files will go into the trash. So it will be show in the bin, and here automatically it will get deleted after 30 days. By the way, you can just select from here and you can just delete it now, right? But it's fine if it is showing in the bin section, then it's for your safety, because by mistake you have deleted any important mail, then you can just go back to bin and you can just recover it from there. So I hope you understood how to delete all mails in your Gmail. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.